In this video, I will show you how to sell stocks on Cash App and get money back into your Cash App balance. Now, Cash App allows you to buy and sell stocks directly from the app. If you have invested in a stock and want to take your money out, you will need to sell your shares before you can withdraw the funds. To get started, open Cash App on your device. Go to the Money screen, scroll down until you find the Stocks section. Here, you can view your current investments, check your performance, and explore different stocks available on the platform. You can also search for a specific stock using the search bar or browse through different categories. Then, tap on the stock you want to sell. From there, tap Sell and choose how much of the stock you would like to sell. You can review the transaction details, then confirm the sale. Keep in mind that the stock market only operates during certain hours. So, if you try to sell when the market is closed, your order may be processed on the next trading day. Then, after the sale is completed, the money will be added to your Cash App balance. Once the funds are available, you can choose what to do with them. You can either transfer the money to your bank account, keep it in your Cash App balance, add it to your savings, purchase another stock, buy Bitcoin, or use your Cash App card to make purchases. If you want to transfer the money to your bank account, simply tap Cash Out. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and follow the steps to complete the transfer. And that's how you can get money from stocks on Cash App. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.